Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance US. First, you will need to set up your account. Begin by registering with your email and creating a robust password. Next, complete the identity verification process, which typically involves submitting a government-issued identification and proof of residence. Finally, for optimal security, make sure to enable two-factor authentication. This crucial step adds an extra layer of protection to your digital assets. Once your account is set up, the next step is funding it. You can easily link your bank account for ACH transfers or use a debit card for quicker deposits. Alternatively, you may deposit supported cryptocurrencies directly from an external digital wallet. Remember that deposit limits can vary significantly based on your account's verification level, so be sure to check those details before initiating large transfers. With funds in your account, you are ready to begin trading. Binance US offers a user-friendly interface for both spot and advanced trading. You can place market orders for immediate execution at the current price, or set limit orders to buy or sell at a specific price point. Be aware that trading fees are typically a small percentage of each transaction, often less than 1%, so factor these into your trading strategy. Finally, when you are ready to withdraw funds, you have options. You can send fiat currency back to your linked bank account or transfer cryptocurrencies to another digital wallet. Keep in mind that withdrawal limits and processing times can vary depending on the asset and your account status. Always prioritize security by using strong, unique passwords and enabling all available security features, such as two-factor authentication, to protect your investments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.